Determinants of supply. First things first, supply is a fundamental concept of economics. The law of supply states that, all things equal, an increase in price results in the quantity supplied. That is, price and quantity supplied of a good are directly related to each other. So what are the determinants of supply? Supply determinants are the number of sellers, resource prices, taxes and subsidies, production technology, suppliers' expectations, price of related products, and prices of joint products. Number of sellers. The greater the number of sellers, the greater the quantity of a product supplied in the market, and vice versa. That is, an increase in the number of sellers will increase the supply and shift the supply curve rightwards, whereas decrease in number of sellers will decrease the supply and shift the supply curve leftwards. Prices of resources. Since profit is a major incentive for producers to supply goods and services, increase in profits increases the supply and decrease in profits reduces the supply. Increase in resource prices reduces the supply and the supply curve is shifted leftwards, whereas decrease in resource prices increases the supply and the supply curve is shifted rightwards. Taxes and subsidies. Taxes reduces profits, that's why an increase in taxes reduces supply, whereas decrease in taxes increase supply. Subsidies reduce the burden of production costs on suppliers, thus increasing the profits. That's why an increase in subsidies increases the supply, and decrease in subsidies decreases supply.
Production technology. Improvement in technology enables more efficient production of goods and services. As a result, supply is increased and the supply curve is shifted rightwards. Sellers' expectations. The decision to sell a good today depends on expectation of future prices. Sellers seek to sell a good at the highest possible price. If they expect the price to rise in the future, they are inclined to sell less now. If the sellers expect the price to decline in the future, they are inclined to sell more now. Prices of related products. This can be best portrayed with the following example. A firm which produces cricket bats is usually able to manufacture hockey sticks as well. When the price of hockey sticks increases, the firm will produce more hockey sticks and less cricket bats. As a result, the supply of cricket bats will be reduced. Price of joint products. Joint products are the products that are produced from one production process. Therefore, when two or more goods are produced in a joint process and the price of any of the product increases, the supply of all the joint products will be increased and vice versa. For example, increase in the price of lumber will increase the supply of sawdust, both produced from a single tree.
Thanks for watching.
Created using Powtoon.